Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Thursday 28th of May. Moving on to cable now. Cable has just stabilised a little bit today. It had a pretty negative candle yesterday, which went some way towards unwinding much of that candle that we saw on Tuesday. It was a really strong positive candle. But it's interesting that we're now starting to see a little uptrend developing. It's not much, but there is this prospect that we're still in a recovery phase, even though you've seen the market falling over at 23.60, which is a bit of a disappointment. Seen that in the last couple of sessions falling over there. Bit of a disappointing sort of move lower yesterday, but the market has held on today, and you can see this uptrend here on the hourly chart, which is pretty well defined. I've spoken previously also about this pivot around 22.45. Sort of been acting throughout May really, less so around here in the middle of the month, but subsequently to that, sort of broke below that yesterday, but then since then it started to form the basis of support again. So it obviously is a level that the market is having a look at. The corrective move that we've seen yesterday has stabilised, but I think this uptrend is going to be important, as is this support that we've got of yesterday's low of 22.03, so there or thereabouts 22 figure. So how the market responds to this uptrend and that support is going to be important, because there is still this sort of creep higher you've got on stochastics. Little sort of edge towards positivity on the MACD lines, RSI sort of rolling over, but these so these two are a little bit mixed, but the stochastics are still positive. So the potential for this to be a recovery play is still there. It's just that whether you would trust it as a recovery play, and seeing as how the market fell over yesterday quite decisively, I think that is a little bit of a concern, certainly. Yeah, again, initially watching how this sort of pivot line around 22.45 acts is going to be important. So we need to be just a little bit cautious about how we're trading cable at the moment, because as I said, below 22.45 you start to sort of see the momentum of that move dissipating once more, and putting pressure on that uptrend, and obviously that uptrend is important, as is the support at 22 figure area. 22.95 has been an old pivot, and again sort of acts as a basis of resistance overhead, so again that's a bit of a barrier to recovery. But the fact that we've sort of had those two highs at 23.60 area is a little bit concerned, because it still sort of suggests it's possibly under pressure, and you're sort of trading around or below all these moving averages. So a little bit cautious about how we play this one at the moment. It seems to be a bit of a crossroads. So I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos on YouTube. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and go to watch our Trader Talks videos, where you can gain top trading ideas.